Hi everyone, I'm Erik Woodcraft AIFD, and today I'm going to show you a design that looks very wild and loose and airy, but it actually is developed on a very strong structure. Now I'm using the Oasis mesh wire, and I've simply taken a length and looped it around to form a tube. Next, I've taken and created some Midollino extenders using wire and Midollino and taped them with corsage tape. You can also use bullion wire. Then I took Uglu dash at one end and started winding it with this sage-colored yarn. And I've simply wound and wound and wound and wound till I got to the other end, and then back on itself, and then used a little bullion to attach it. And then simply swirled them around the tube that I created out of the mesh wire. This just sits on top of the container. I've also taken some preserved dyed grasses. They're very pliable, and I've taken some of the bullion and I've wound it around to form these long, bold grass whips. And these are also woven through the design. In addition, I have these dried anthurium leaves from a project that I used them for previously. I've tinted them with the Olive Bright from Design Master, and the backside I've tinted in this wonderful sage color. Those have been extended on shish kabob skewers by attaching them with a little bit of bind wire and corsage tape. From there, I've added in the sansevieria with the variegated lime green edge, and I've also added in the calla lilies in water tubes. In addition, I've also added in this lime-colored cymbidium orchid and the lily grass, which helps to kind of dance through the design and create the visual rhythm of this arrangement. When you have wonderful blossoms that you want to elevate and take to the next level, consider incorporating a couple designer tricks to do just that. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.